Alright, here's how I did mine. There's the lower one. And this is the Slingshot Racing frame plugs. I had it tight, but see, as you try to loosen it, it'll just spin. And you can hold it with your finger to loosen up, but getting it back in is the hard part because it'll just spin. Even with holding it with your finger. So, trying to get this thing out of here. Okay. It's got this spreader here in the middle. What it does is these two discs clamp closer together, and this one in the middle spreads out, and that's what holds the plug in. So, hold it in your hand like that, and turn the screw until it's about the same size as the hole in your frame. You can even go a little more and just pop it in there. So, like that. And getting the letters straight, or the words, that's going to be a little hard. I tried. It's almost impossible. The top ones are easy, but as you can see, even holding it won't really tighten up. It'll just spin. So what I did is I have a inch-pound little impact gun. It's for small screws and stuff. I use it a lot. It comes in handy. But I just got a attachment for it. Like that. There's a 5mm Allen head. And try to get the words in the place you want, but a little offset. Because once the impact of the gun starts going, it'll turn it a little too. So let's see where I want it. Right there. Oh, the screw came out. That's not good. Damn it. Went a little too far. Throw this thing back together. Screws in. Alright, try this again. Okay, slingshot, I want to be on top. Okay. There. It's not straight, but I don't really care. That's the only way you can get those decently tight in there. Do a little more. There's a little straighter. And that's it. She's in there. I've tried other things, and this is the only thing that seemed to work for me. So, alrighty guys.